Is your 2016 Mazda CX-5 key fob failing to unlock doors or start the car? This is a common problem with several potential causes. First, the most likely culprit is a dead or weak battery. The CX-5 uses a CR2025 3-volt lithium coin battery. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the issue, reprogramming the key fob may be necessary. The third common issue involves antenna interference. Metal objects or damage to the antenna module itself can disrupt the signal between the fob and your car. For battery replacement, start by opening the key fob using a small screwdriver. Remove the old battery and insert a new CR2025 battery with the positive side facing up. For reprogramming, sit inside the car with all doors closed. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to on 8 times within 10 seconds, then leave it on the 9th turn. For antenna issues, inspect the module near the driver's side door handle or under the dash. Test the fob range, which should work from 20 to 30 feet. If faulty, get a replacement from the dealership.